Stop what you're doing and listen very carefully. If you are currently wearing a pair of AirPods Pro 2, or if you just spent your hard-earned money on the AirPods Pro 3, you need to hear this immediately. There is a massive shift happening inside Apple Park right now. Something so secretive and so technologically advanced that it's about to make every single pair of headphones you've ever owned look like a toy from the Stone Age. We are talking about the AirPods Pro 4, a device that isn't just an earbud, but arguably the most important piece of hardware Apple will release this decade. You might think you've seen it all with noise cancellation and transparency mode. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. You haven't seen anything yet. For the last few months, high-level supply chain leaks from Shenzhen to Cupertino have been whispering about a project internally known as B768. This isn't just a spec bump. This is a total architectural overhaul. Apple is preparing to move away from being an audio company to becoming a human augmentation company. And the AirPods Pro 4 are the tip of the spear. Why is this happening now? Why is 2026 the year Apple decides to break the 3-year update cycle? It's because of a single piece of silicon, the H4 chip. But before we get into the raw power of that chip, we have to talk about the leak that has the entire tech world in a state of shock. For the first time in history, Apple is rumored to be putting cameras, yes, actual cameras, inside your ears. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why on earth would an earbud need a camera? Is Apple spying on us? Is this a privacy nightmare? The truth is actually far more fascinating and a little bit terrifying. These aren't cameras for taking selfies or recording your walk to work. These are tiny, specialized infrared sensors designed to see the world exactly how you see it. They are the missing link for the Apple Vision Pro and the upcoming Apple Glass. By placing these sensors in the AirPods Pro 4, Apple is creating a system where your earbuds can track your hand gestures in midair. Imagine walking down a street in New York or Los Angeles, and instead of reaching for your phone or tapping your ear, you simply pinch the air to skip a track or wave your hand to reject a call. This is no longer science fiction. This is the reality of the Pro 4. But it goes deeper than just gestures. These infrared sensors allow the AirPods Pro 4 to build a real-time 3D map of the environment around you. This takes spatial audio and turns it into spatial reality. Most people don't realize that current spatial audio is just a clever trick of software. With the Pro 4, the audio will actually bounce off the virtual walls of the room the sensors are seeing. If you're watching a movie, and a character walks behind a door in the film, the H4 chip will calculate the density of that virtual door and muffle the sound accordingly. It is a level of immersion that has never been achieved in a consumer product. But wait, there is a dark side to this much power. To run these cameras and this advanced spatial mapping, the processing requirements are off the charts. This brings us to the H4 silicon revolution. The H4 isn't just a chip. It's a supercomputer shrunk down to the size of a fingernail. We are hearing reports that the H4 chip has more transistors than the processor found in the original iPad Pro. This allows for something called zero-latency intelligence. Have you ever noticed that even with the best noise cancellation, there's a tiny, microscopic delay before the sound is blocked? That's because the chip has to hear the noise, process it, and create an anti-wave. The H4 chip